Preheat the oven to the desired temperature before baking the salmon. This will ensure that the salmon cooks evenly and thoroughly. Choose a high-quality, fresh piece of salmon for the best taste and texture. Look for salmon that has a vibrant color and a firm, elastic texture. Avoid salmon that looks dull or has any brown or gray patches. Pat the salmon dry with paper towels before baking. This will help to remove any excess moisture from the surface of the salmon, which will help create a crispy exterior during the baking process. Season the salmon with salt, pepper, and any desired herbs and spices. This will add flavor to the salmon and help to enhance its natural taste. Place the salmon in a baking dish and bake it in the preheated oven until it is cooked to your desired level of doneness. The baking time will depend on the thickness of the salmon and the desired level of doneness. For medium rare, bake the salmon for 8 to 10 minutes per half inch of thickness. For well done, bake the salmon for 12 to 15 minutes per half inch of thickness. Baste the salmon with a mixture of melted butter, lemon juice, and any desired herbs and spices during the baking process. This will help to keep the salmon moist and flavorful as it cooks. If you want a crispy skin on the salmon, place it skin side down in the baking dish. This will allow the skin to come into direct contact with the heat of the oven, which will help it to become crispy as it cooks. If you prefer a softer skin, place the salmon skin side up in the baking dish and cover it with foil during the baking process. This will help to protect the skin from becoming too crispy and allow it to remain soft and tender. Use a meat thermometer to ensure that the salmon is fully cooked and safe to eat. The internal temperature should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius for medium rare and 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius for well done. Serve the baked salmon hot, with a variety of accompaniments, such as roasted vegetables or a green salad. Enjoy!